What pets are good for my child with autism? So, your child has asked for a pet or you just want one. If this is you and your family and you have a child with autism, here are some tips to make this go smoothly for all. What kind of pets will work? With a few exceptions, big dogs are usually much gentler than smaller dogs. If your child is prone to pulling tails, hair, squeezing, this would be most young children and other minor aggressive actions. Avoid a young puppy. Smaller pets like hamsters, they are nocturnal and get really grumpy when disturbed and may bite. Young kittens, chinchillas, they lack rib cages and are easy to squeeze to death. And reptiles. Children can get salmonella and other illness from touching these animals and putting their fingers in their mouth. Some good pets to try are older puppies, young dogs, older kittens, guinea pig, rabbits, pet rats, very gentle and intelligent. Aquariums are look at only pet but very relaxing for some kids. Go over some ground rules with your children before getting a pet. Be gentle with the pet. This is a great time to delegate chores for kids who are old enough. Even the younger kids can give water or food to a pet. The pet needs to be taken care of every day. The pet is part of the family. Sometimes the pet needs her own space. The pet is long term. It's not fair to change your mind after committing to a pet. Why pets are great? It's relaxing to pet an animal or watch a fish tank. Teaches children compassion for others in a concrete way. Gives children a listening ear when they are mad, sad, or just not feeling happy. Pets give unconditional love and acceptance. Kids and pets make a great team. Pets are someone to play with when everyone else is busy. Gives the child something to take care of and be responsible for and creates a sense of pride. Give parents a way to model gentle behavior. Teaches children to not fear animals. These are just a few reasons to allow your child to have a pet and how to handle that task. Before getting a pet, always research the types of pets your family is thinking about so you will be well prepared to bring your new family member home. Here is a guide on the best service dogs. Learn the types of service dogs and how they can be beneficial for a child with autism. For some children, therapy dogs or even the family pet can have significant positive effects on social, cognitive, and emotional functioning. Research bears this out. 14 studies reviewed in 2013 and a handful of new research studies in the past 3 years have uniformly found that therapeutic interventions with dogs, horses, dolphins, and even guinea pigs have had positive effects on children with autism and their families. Children with autism frequently have difficulty focusing, responding to sensory stimuli, and communicating with others. Research tells us that pet therapy can be particularly effective in addressing these issues. More than a decade ago, researchers were intrigued when they found that children with autism tended to prefer pictures of animals to pictures of people, and that they also tended to be less responsive to human voices than to other sounds. Additional research studies looked more closely at the animal connection, and recent studies show that introducing a dog to children with autism reduced stress, anxiety, and irritation and resulted in a more relaxed environment for everyone.